Recall, Honda CBR1000RR-R SP. Welcome to the MOTORCYCLES.NEWS. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to get the most important motorcycle news every day. Honda is recalling the Honda CBR1000RR-R SP in America, saying it is possible that a strut retaining plate could break. Affected are the models that were manufactured between April and July 2020. It would be possible that retaining plates were mounted backwards. There are counterbores in the retaining plates for the screw connection. The incorrect installation no longer countersinks the bolting. It creates additional pressure on the wrong side of the countersink, which could cause the plate to break. If it broke, the rear of the motorcycle would spontaneously lower, which could lead to an accident. The recall originates in the Americas, but since motorcycles are usually produced in one plant for the global market, other markets could also be affected. Thanks for watching.